In January 2025, RUPES has presented its brand new marine line.
It's a line made of 6 products
that are dedicated to polishing and finishing boats, in general, marine vehicles. Now today we are in a boatyard. All around me you might hear some noise because they are building an actual yacht. What place better than this to talk about our new marine line. Let's start from the first product, XC100. As you can see, we have 2 blue products. There is XC100 and XC300. XC100 is our extreme cutting compound dedicated to P800 or P1000 sanding marks, and it's mainly designed for gel coat, both production gel coat or oxidated gel coat. It's very aggressive, but it combines this high ability of cutting with a very good finish, with a very good gloss. I would say better than anything else I've seen on the market. XC100 is supposed to be used with rotary, with twisted wool pad, or anyway wool pad, because it's designed for when we really need a lot of cuts. The second product that you can see here is a lighter blue label. It's XC300 and it's for P1200, P1500 sanding marks. It's more for paints, so for yachts like this. Of course, it has a lower ability to cut than the XC100, but it leaves a better finish. So many times using XC300, even on darker colors, you can skip the second step. But just in case you need a second step, because you're working on a dark color, because you need to check the gloss with the gloss meter and you want to have a higher level of gloss, then we have the XF500. XF500 is a polish, is a second step. It can be used with both dual action and rotary machine, and we recommend to use it with our yellow foam pads, which of course are normally designed for a second step. And then, if you want to reach the highest possible level of gloss and color depth of the paint, especially on dark colors or difficult to finish paints, we have the solution, the XF600 Ultra Fine Polish. This is our dedicated product, Ultra Finishing, for gloss enhancement. It works perfectly with both dual action and rotary tools, and we recommend pairing it with our white foam pads for the best results. The formula is free of fillers, easy to use and quick to wipe off, ensuring an excellent user experience. In some situations, like OEM clear coats, protection is not indicated, so if you can simply leave the surface as it is after polishing the last step with XF600. The point is, when absolute perfection in finish and gloss is required, XF600 is the product that gets you there. Normally it has to resist to harsh environmental condition, a lot of sun, a lot of water, a lot of salt, a lot of bad conditions. So we have also 2 protection products, 2 sealants. They are called XP, yes, P for protection. So XP700 is a machine applied protection sealant that can be applied after the polishing, after the compound or after the polish. It will leave a protection layer on the surface. It will protect against the sun, against the water, against the salt, against the wind and everything. And it's dedicated for machine application. Instead, the XP900 is also a protection product, but it is for hand application, spray application. So it can be topped on top of the XP700, but it can be applied also as a standalone product. So you have your own boat, you use it on a weekend. When you take it out of the water, then you need to dry the boat, and this will help you because it will help you to dry and to send the water away from the surface and leave protection for the next time you will go to use your boat. So the new RUPES Marine Line is made of 6 new products. 2 compounds that should be used either or: XC100 for more aggression, XC300 for a better balance between cut and finish. The finishing products XF500 and XF600, and then 2 protection products. They are doing very well. We're having very good feedback from the market. So I invite all of you to try them, because they, in my opinion, are really on top of the quality. Thank you for watching the video. Ciao!